This video will go over how to use the Canvas calendar schedule to create appointment groups. First, we're going to click on the calendar tool. And next, we'll need to create the appointment group. So click the plus button, select appointment group. And here you'll want to apply a name that will specify what type of appointment you're wanting. We're going to use face-to-face and classroom here. You may also want to go ahead and include your actual location that you'll be having your class. And then select the calendar that you would like that to go on. Next will be your date and time. We're going to say from 10 to 11. And this is a 1 hour slot, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this other slot. And here you'll want to cap how many people you want to join this appointment. And you can do that by selecting this option and then choosing the number of users here. And you can limit to where they can only choose one appointment. And that's where you would do that here. The details, you may want to include additional details here because when students actually see this, they'll be able to see this information also. So we're going to hit publish, and then you'll notice it's kind of grayed out, but it's on the calendar for the 5th. So now we're going to do another appointment group. And this time we're going to set it for synchronously online. So you can choose your calendar again. Same as before, your date and time. And notice we're using the same period for all 3 of these appointment groups. So again, you'll just set your cap here for how many users you'll allow. And then add your details that will describe this appointment group. And then we'll hit publish. So now on the calendar for the 5th, you'll see that we have 2 appointments. So now we're going to do the last one. Appointment group. We'll put our name here. Select the calendar. Apply our date and time. We'll cap our users limit here. And then we'll add the additional details also. And we'll publish. You'll notice now that we have 3 appointment groups here. So now we're going to go and let you see how this actually looks from a student standpoint. So I'm going to get into my student account. And this is it. You'll notice there's nothing on that calendar, but they have to click that Find Appointment button and then select the calendar. So here's our 3 appointment groups. Now students can click on either of them, and when they do, they see this little box here. Now they can add a comment, but they really just need to hit the reserve button. And you'll notice it grayed out for them. So we're going to leave student view. And I'm back on my faculty calendar, and you'll notice that this one is bolded. And it shows that I have 1 student, this KC student 2, that has reserved this spot. As more students reserve, they'll be listed here. You can click on the group details, and it actually lets you see the details that we set up, and it lists the students there also.